so sad, don't they?
Well, you know, because they want food. You're beautiful. My sister would be very impressed that I've seen some donkeys today. She loves donkeys.
That Mary rode the donkeys and they've all got crosses now.
Sorry?
Oh, that's the thing, crosses on the donkey's back, that line.
Oh, why?
It's an old thing about, because it's all that Mary rode the donkey.
Bred like that, or does
I don't know.
Is it natural, or do we do it because of the? I can't imagine we put them on because it's like we're religious. No, it's
They have the crosses, but
they're born with it.
developed with the crosses.
Ah, interesting fact.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
That's what I was told.
Yeah.
It's loads of rubbish.
I don't know. Oh, cute. Running water. Cute doggy. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh, like Sheila Rain.
Hello. Hello, you. Hello.
Hello. Oh, you're saying hello to everyone, are you? Beautiful. Yeah, doing his rounds. Or her rounds. Oh. Oh, I think, someone's been walking through water.
Do you know what, last time?
Yeah.
Well, it's such a still day.
Yeah. So wonderful. Yeah, lovely footpath. I mean, we're not going down there today. Definitely not. So, yeah. Oh, sun's doing an interesting thing there.
I've sat here in many a time. Sometimes
Yeah,
I
lunch
remember
spot,
one day
definitely
it was
here.
in a baking heat and it was
Galloway.
Once I get used to it, at the moment, I'm trying to get, following the routine.
Have short platforms.
Come on platform.
If you are travelling to Bratton, you will need to travel.
No, we always have to cross over because we go in and then we have to go out again
Trains
with the
start
Brighton.
on zones
Yep.
11 to